Before plastics, there was lacquerware, and for hundreds of years, Bagan was the center of lacquerware production. It's a labor-intensive process taking 2 to 6 months just to produce one item, and we were fortunate enough to take a tour of the factory. So this is how lacquerware is made. You start with the bamboo, you roll it into this structure with sand. These ladies are polishing it as well and cleaning it with water. Enforced at 100 meters. This color is produced locally. They polish and shine again. Here they are doing the seams. They're cleaning it out, smoothing the inside. And then he puts the lacquer in by hand to seal the seams. And then the coats of lacquer are put on by hand. And then for the design, you have to make individual cuts. The men do the general cutting. And then the women do the fine work. Very intricate. And to produce one object can take anywhere from 5 weeks to 6 months, depending on the number of layers that the lacquer has. And I'll sit here for hours cross-legged. Amazing. Who knew? Yeah, oh wow, yeah, that is very pretty.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Between each coat of lacquer, the object has to sit and dry in a low humidity, cool cellar. This process can take up to 6 months. All right, what are we having for lunch?
We're having a pumpkin chicken curry with rice. And prior to that, we had spring rolls. And we're having a banana pancake for dessert. And a large bottle of Myanmar beer. And the whole thing will come to probably about $6, I think, for the two of us. And it's lovely. And you have to shovel things onto your spoon with your left hand and eat with your right hand, which is proving to be a little challenging for me, but I'm doing my best.
Yes, you're doing great. We decided to eat where the locals eat and try some traditional Burmese food. The price was right, but we hadn't quite developed our palate.
Something meat, something chili maybe, vegetable. This looks like vegetable. Those, I have no idea. That looks like meat. This looks like a peas. I don't know what that is. Yeah. That looks like spinach. That looks like maybe
cabbage.
Bean or cabbage. I don't know. It's quite an assortment.
All right, and then what vegetables do we have?
Well, we
like
have
miniature eggplants or something?
I think so. Little miniature okra. Little
cucumber,
I think. These are leaves. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's watercress. I think that's watercress. Might be. I don't know. Oh, it's spicy.
Well, bite it.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is.
So how much was this feast for two?
This was 10,000
Cut. 10,000 cut, which is about $6.
About $6.
Living large with, I suspect, like a big thing of rice. So I guess we'll be full for a while.
I think so. And
all right.
A little bit of soup to start.
Excellent. All right.